my bathroom. No, but seriously, welcome to my channel. This is Our Life Simplified. My name is Laura, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and if you've seen any of my videos, thank you for returning. In today's video, I am going to be transitioning my babies from the small brooder to a bigger brooder. I've had my baby chicks. This is 1 week and 4 days. See if I calculated that right. Yes, they are 1 week and 4 days old since their hatch date on May 19th. I ordered 23. Unfortunately, I did lose 3 baby chicks, so I'm down to 20. Let me show you what the situation is right now. This is most of the babies. I'm sure there's a couple underneath the heating. Yes, you can see that a couple babies came out of from underneath a heating plate. I went ahead and took their food container out because I do plan on moving this tote with the help of Todd into the garage where our bigger brooder is. Now, I always have a smaller brooder that I start out with, which is this right here, a tote that I place in my bathroom, because really the first week or two are the most important in terms of paying attention to them and their health and making sure that they're being taken care of, and you can catch them any kind of situation quicker. But it is time. They are getting bigger, at least most of them. I have a little, I call her Pipsqueak, or somebody recommended maybe Pip or Pippy. Look how tiny she is compared to the rest of them. She is a little squirt. And I'm not sure which name is going to stick, but if you have, maybe I should do a contest and whoever wins gets a gift card. I don't know how I would work that out to get it to you, but I really hope she makes it. I don't know if it's just a genetic thing that it has like a stunted growth. She's kind of hiding back in there, and I really do hope she makes it. I would love to see how she thrives as she ages. But yeah, and I know I've had some viewers, because I've done other videos and shorts and things that I mentioned about my little squirt here. And one of the questions was, well, you know, is it just her breed? The thing is when I ordered these chicks, they all were of what I would call a normal sized chicken. I know you can buy like Jersey Giants, which are a lot bigger. And then I do know that there are some smaller chicks that you can order from the place that I did order them. If it was one of my chicks that I ordered, then no, it has nothing to do with her being a smaller breed. I did get a couple of free chicks with my order. One was called a meal maker, which would be a hen to lay eggs, and the whole intent behind that is so that you could actually give away for free the eggs of the chicken that, you know, laid the eggs. And then the other one that I got free is called a homestead helper, which would be Roo. So if this is one of the free chicks, they couldn't tell me what breed it was. They just said that they just kind of select chicks with the free chicks. So it is a possibility that that could be one of the free chicks. I don't know. So yeah, they're at that stage where they're really skittish. Like if I were to put my hand down there, they would all, well, try to get away from me. Let's just put it that way. You can see them huddled in the corner. Hey babies, come here. Hey babies, it's okay. And look at her. She's just by herself. She's like, I got this. I'm tough. Like, it's cool. It's cool. If I can do it, you can do it. She's probably calling them chickens. I guess she decided to get into the huddle. Okay, so this is going to be part 1 of transitioning the baby chicks from their original home to home number 2. And that's going to be before we transfer them into their permanent home, which would be part 2 of the transitioning. So let me show you where we're going to put them. And this is their new is what they're going to be transitioned into. I call this the bigger brooder box. The first go around when I did videos on baby chicks and brooding them up when I had received them, it's half the size of what this is. The only reason why this is twice the size is because we took 2 crates, we put them together. There's a couple of boards here. I'll show you the details in case you want some inspiration if you're looking into getting some kind of a brooder box. And then we just cut a hole in between so they can have the ability to move on either side. I actually get these crates for free from work. This is what some of our material comes in. I don't know if you've caught any of the videos whenever I did the back 40 garden. It's a raised bed and I use these crates for that. I use these crates for other things as well. But this makes a perfect brooder box for baby chicks before they actually get transitioned out into the coop, which they need to be fully feathered for that. So that's why we have transition 1 into here and transition 2 will be out in the coop, which I'm a little nervous about because I already have an existing flock. So I have an idea of what we're going to do in order to do that transition. I currently have 8 chickens. This is 20 chicks. So yeah, it's going to be interesting as to how this is all going to turn out. I will be bringing the warming plate out here so that if they are chilled, they can have a place to come. But I also have a thermometer, and right now in the garage, it's saying it is 80 degrees. But let me show you how we put these together. Let me move. I always use pine shavings. This is the pine shavings we use. It's medium flake pine shavings. It's 2 different crates. So this is 1 crate. This is the 2nd crate. Todd just added some support boards on the top here and at the bottom to keep them together. We added wheels to the bottom on all 4 corners. And he may have, I don't remember if he attached anything at the bottom or not, but I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can open this. He cut out a hole and put some wood down so they can transfer and roam between the 2 boxes. We went ahead and we added areas where we can add food. It's just PVC pipe. And like I said, I will link the video for the bigger brooder box. That video, it actually shows in detail how we put it together, including how Todd added the hinge doors to this as well. But these are for food. We have 1, 2, and on this side, we have a 3rd one. We have a watering system here, and these caps come off, and this is where we will fill them. Whoops. It can slide up and down depending on the height, which I'll probably need to lower it all the way to the bottom for the baby chicks since they're so small. And then as they grow, I will raise them up. And then same with the food. The caps come off. I have a, what is this, a 1/2 gallon. So it's kind of a makeshift funnel. I just kind of place it there, and then this is where I will fill the food and the water. Actually use a funnel for the water just to keep the 2 separate. But that's the gist of it. Let me grab some pine shavings and throw them in the bottom, and I will get these baby chicks transferred over. I think they're going to love it. This is going to feel like a mansion to them. So with 20 chicks, they actually have the ability, even if there were 10 on each side, they'll have plenty of room to move around. I had a flock of 15 initially, the first go around that I did this with these crates and using it as a brood box. So, and 15 were fine. So with these 2 put together, they'll have more than enough room. I think they're going to love it. Well, we're moving on now. We moved some stuff around because we needed to get the 4-wheeler in here. So we just moved the brooder box, which having wheels It makes it super easy to move around. But I went ahead and I plugged in the warming plate on this side that has the one food dispenser. And then on this side, it has 2 food dispensers and then all these waterers. I'm a little concerned. I think there might be a leaking issue, but we'll get all of that figured out. In the meantime, I have the babies and I'm going to just be transferring them one at a time in their new home. Let's see how this goes. Who wants to go first? There we go. There's the water. Here. Water. Here we go. Did you find the water? It's okay. Go ahead. There you go. That's my little pipsqueak. There you go. What do you think? I don't think they know what to think yet. Now, just to let you know, I normally keep them in my tub for the first couple of weeks, but since there were so many of them and the tote was not big enough for 20 of them, initially it was fine. Oh, there we go. But since I have 20 of them and they're getting bigger, chicks grow so fast. It's okay. It's okay. There we go. Yeah, since they grow so fast, I wanted to give them the opportunity to have the freedom. I didn't want any more stress than necessary. It's okay. Oh my God, they sound like I'm killing them. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. It's okay, baby. There you go. Let's see if we can do this 2 at a time. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. There's water. I don't know what to think. Welcome to your new mansion. See, that's not so bad. It's not so bad. Hold on. There you go. All right. And we got 2 more. There you go. Oh, this is going to be so fun. I got them all in there. Can you see the difference of the space? It's huge. So I'm going to let them get acclimated a little bit. Let me turn the lights on. Maybe that'll be easier. What do you think? This is your new home. Welcome home, baby chicks. Welcome home. So I'm going to stay out here with them and make sure that they have found the water and the food before I walk away completely. I know they'll find it in no time. They're right in front of it. And then I will show them the other side so they know they can move from one side to the other. They have found the food. And usually once one baby chick finds something, then there will be others that follow. So they are so close to the water. I know once they figure it out, it'll be all good. But we need one of them to just take the leap. So one found their way on the other side. Let's see how long it takes before all of them start moving over there. I just love baby chicks. So fun. I guess I should show them where the other food is so they don't fight over the one. Oh, we got... I think they found the trough. See that one right there? She found the trough. Oh, little pipsqueaks right there. Oh, I'm so glad she's still alive. I am really concerned about her. I know I keep saying that, but she seriously doesn't look much bigger than when I first got her, what, a week and a half ago. And all the others, you can see how big the others are. Okay, I got to get at least one of them onto the waters. They're right in the doorway. It's like they're trying to make a decision. Do we go? Oh, we got a brave one. Keep going. Keep going. Where'd he go? Where'd she go? Oh, she chickened out. Get it? They are getting completely acclimated. The only concern I have is they have not touched this water yet. I've even tried to put their beaks in it, but to no avail. They, I don't know, they didn't like the water. I put the green waterer back in for the time being, just until they can figure out the other watering cups. Little Pipsqueak is in this one. We have several of them that found the warming plate. At least they have some water in here. I'm going to go ahead and just leave them be and let them get acclimated better. But a lot of them, I don't know if you can see, they're just kind of laying on the coop floor, several of them. So they seem to be pretty comfortable, but none are on this side now. All of them are now on this side, so they know they can go back and forth. I think they're really going to love their space. I'll continue showing you the progress and how I transition them into the chicken coop when the time comes. But I'm sure I'll be doing shorts every now and again, just showing you the progress of how they're growing, because they really do grow so fast. They're going to freak out if I open this. For some reason, I don't know why, but it's so much brighter in here. So to be continued, and until next time, thank you for watching.